her little ears, and her face. Ooh, there's a lot of surprises inside. Wow! Check it out, guys! I see some Frozen toys, Heroes vs. Villains, Peppa Pig stuff, My Little Pony, Hello Kitty, and a bunch of other stuff. Awesome! Our first surprise is a Disney Hero vs. Villain mystery mini, and it's a surprise box. Cool! We got Scar, and he's Simba's uncle. He's kind of a mean guy, but maybe he'll turn around someday. Yeah, maybe I will become a good guy. And this is a Disney Frozen surprise egg. And here's some of the figures we can get. And this is a little stand for her, and it has a little snowflake on it. Elsa has her beautiful blue dress on. She has blonde hair, and it looks like she's about to cast some magic. Sweet! We got a Moshi Monsters blind bag, series number 11. Here's the checklist, and are you guys ready for the free rocks code? Bam! There it is! Good luck, guys! Just log into this website and type in the code. And on the back, it's Plumpty! Our first moshling is Benedict, and he's like a white egg, and he has a pink body and a little bow tie. What a little cutie, huh? Our second moshling is named Mitzi, and she's a chameleon or some type of lizard. She's red, and she has a little thing on her head. I wonder what it does. Psh, psh, psh. Roar! Hey, you're not that scary. But I try to be. Bye! Awesome! We got a Peppa Pig and Family playset, and it includes Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, George Pig, and Mummy Pig. Here's another playset we can get. Check it out, guys! Here's the whole family! Hi, guys! Hey, Dad! Do you know where the ice cream is? Yeah. I think it's in the fridge. Mommy, can you go get it? Of course! Here you go! This ice cream is good! Hey, I want some ice cream! Let's share! Yummy! That was pretty fun! But before I put them away, can you guys tell me what Peppa's favorite flavor of cake is? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Yay! We got a My Little Pony blind bag, and there's 24 figures to collect. Here's the checklist, and it shows all 24 ponies. And on the back, it's Rarity! Isn't she pretty, guys? She's all clear and silver and has glitter. And look, her cutie mark is 3 diamonds. Rarity is known for giving great advice. Did you guys know that? Yep, I'm very good at giving advice. Stay in school, kids, and be nice to your friends. Bye! Nice! We got a My Little Pony Spasms. Series number 2. Cool beans! We got Fluttershy. You can tell because of her cutie mark. Check it out. It's 3 butterflies. She's yellow and has pink hair. I love this toy because she's so squishy. Squish, 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 squish. Yay! I love getting squished. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Pretty awesome. Wow! We got a Care Bear collectible figures blind bag. And here are all the Care Bears we can get. We got Secret Bear, and she looks super cute. She has a heart-shaped lock on her belly. She's red and has glitter. And it looks like she's ready to give you guys a hug. Yay! I love giving hugs. Hee hee! Awesome! We got a crystal surprise, and it's a flash. It comes with a charm and a bracelet. Here are some of the other bracelets we can get. Here's the checklist. Can you guys help me find Flash? Here she is! Flash! Her birthday is March 13th. My luck is wisdom. My flashes of wisdom will keep you on your toes. So work hard and be kind everywhere you go. Do what is right, not what is easy, and your wisdom will grow. Here she is, and it looks super cool. She's made out of crystal. She's pink, she has a silver dress on, and a blue triangle right here. This is pretty awesome. This toy also came with 2 charms and a bracelet. Let's check out the first one. This charm is of yin and yang, which means keep a good balance and you will live a happy life. Here's our second charm, and it's of a crystal heart. And it's a light blue color, and it's super pretty. Let's put it on the bracelet. What do you guys think? Pretty cool? Nice! We got Shopkins collector's cards, and there's 7 in each pack. Here's our first card, and it's all glittery. This is so cool! Her name is Tina Tuna. Our second card is Slick Breadstick. Our third card is Lolly Poppins. Our fourth card is Ice Cream Dream. Our fifth card is Googly. Our sixth card is Wobbles. And last but not least, Cheesy Bee. Which one was your favorite? I like Ice Cream Dream because I love ice cream. What about you? Can you guys help me count how many surprises are left in the egg? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a SpongeBob SquarePants Season 3 blind bag. Here's the checklist. Cool! Do you guys know who this is? If you know his name, put it in the comment section below. He's a red fish with orange hands and feet, and he has a little thing on his head, and he's carrying a stick with a jellyfish on top. Do you guys want to go jellyfishing with me and SpongeBob? Let's go! We got a Disney Frozen foil pack, and it comes with one dog tag and some stickers. Let's take a quick look at the checklist. Here are all the dog tags and the stickers. Check it out, guys! We got an Anna sticker! Isn't she pretty? She's playing with her hair. This is super cute. It says strong bond, strong heart. And of course, we have Elsa and Anna, the two coolest sisters in the world. And on the back, it says sisters, number 15 of 24. Sweet! We got a Hello Kitty minifigure collectibles blind bag, series number 1. Isn't she adorable, guys? Here's Hello Kitty, and she looks like a ballerina. Look at her pretty dress, some purple shoes, of course her bow, and a tiara. Let's see if she can dance. Ding 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 ding. Thanks, guys. Yay! It's a Shopkins Season 3 basket. Here's the checklist. Let's open up our first Shopkins bag. We got Pee-wee Kiwi, and she's super cute. Check it out. She's all brown and her hair is green. Do you guys like kiwis? They're super sour but pretty delicious. Hey, don't eat me though. Of course I'm not. Here's our second Shopkins bag. We got Sweet Pea, and they're pretty cute. They're all green, and there's 3 of them. How cool! And we're down to our very last surprise. Let's check it out. It's a Unicorno Series 3 blind box. And here are all the unicornos we can get. We got Timber, and she's super cute. Check it out. Here's a heart and some bones, and feathers, an eagle, some more feathers, her hair, which is 4 different colors, some face paint, and feathers in her hair. This is pretty awesome. Let's see if she can fly. Of course I can fly. I'm a unicorn. We're all out of surprises, guys. Which one was your favorite? Mine was George Pig. I liked him because he's super small and he has a cool blue shirt on. Thanks, Toy Hunter. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Toy Hunter, and I'm out.